Hello.
So, papunta kami ngayon, magpapavaccine ako ng COVID-19 vaccine. I-share ko sa inyo kung anong pakiramdam ng pagpapavaccine. Kung anong naramdaman ko, kung paano mahaba ba ang pila or hindi, kung anong ma-experience ko all throughout this vaccination. We will share it to you. Okay? Bye, bye, bye. Later. Yung pa lang, marami na silang phones. Ibig sabihin, nag-e-expect sila ng madaming magpapa-vaccine. Ito na ngayon. Appointment only. Magpa-park po si Leonard, hindi niya ako masasamahan. So, kayo na naman sumama sa akin kung anong gagawin ko.
Hindi ako pwede.
Hindi daw eh. Sa car ka lang daw eh. Okay? Sayang pala kung makukunan mo.
Hello.
Sobrang mahigpit po yung security. Kasi nag-expect sila siguro ng sobrang daming tao. Hindi ko alam kung pwede ang video sa loob. I hope pwede.
Tanong. Pwede naman itanong.
Oo.
Kasi mainit sa paparadahan.
Eh, sabi niya, diyan ka daw pumarada. Tatanong natin kung pwedeng mag-video. Kung hindi, iwan ko kayo dito sa sasakyan. Okay?
Hindi, pipila ka na.
Okay, bye-bye.
Dalhin mo na yan.
Kailangan nating i-ready lahat. Kasi...
may wallet ka. Ayan.
Alright. Kalala ko kasi nakuhaan ko ito dati. Hindi ko alam. Okay. Doon daw yung line.
Saan?
Hindi ko kaya dadaling ko na.
Ito.
Okay. Tingnan natin kung mabibideo ko kayo. Or saan? Where? I don't know. Let's see, guys. Kinakabahan nga ako eh.
Morning.
Good morning.
You have an appointment today?
I do.
And you have your confirmation with you?
Yeah, it's here. Wait for a while.
If you have the app, that's even better. But if you don't, that's okay. Okay, perfect. So you'll show them that with your ID. Let me just get your temperature, okay?
Okay.
Okay. And
Thank
go
you.
through any of these lines is okay.
Okay, thank you. Any of these lines is okay. O, dito tayo sa kabila, guys. Hindi naman nila ako pinagbawalang mag-video. Ayan, for now. I do. 5. Okay. Okay. Hindi daw ako pwedeng mag-video ng ibang tao, pero sarili ko pwede. Hi.
I'm gonna go through a couple, ask you a couple questions. I don't know if you want to record that or not, but
I just want to document everything and show them how it's all done and
alright. So
share with it everybody.
alright. So today you're gonna be getting the Moderna vaccine. Moderna vaccine is the 2-dose series. Second dose is due in 28 days or anytime after. Okay.
So I will like set a schedule appointment for the second dose.
Yeah. So appointment the same way you did it for today. I don't know if they have any dates available.
So ito na nga. After ma-vaccinan, kailangan naming mag-wait for 15 minutes para makita nila kung may adverse reaction right away. Yan lang. So, naka-time na akong 15 minutes. 3 more minutes. I feel like may psychological effect. Kasi hihintayin mo kung may mararamdaman ka or wala. Sana naman wala. Alright, my 15-minute wait is over. Babalik na ako sa parking lot. Nandun si Leonard, nag-i-intry. So, maganda naman yung setup nila. Everything is all organized and good. Tapos wala naman akong na-feel na anything bad after the vaccine. And I hope wala akong ma-feel na anything bad days after or months after the vaccine. Okay guys, bye! Ayan. Lahat naman maayos. Tsaka malaki naman yung space. I don't think ganun ka. Pero sabi nila, nung mga first few days daw, ang dami daw talagang tao. Pero ngayon, parang kumonti na siya. Eh kasi Monday. Eh syempre, yesterday siguro sobrang dami kasi Sunday. Para dun sa mga Monday to Friday ang schedule. Okay. So, eto na siya. Nakapag-first dose na ako. Ang second dose will be after 28 days. Ang 28 days ay February 8 para sa akin. Isasama ko kayo doon sa second dose ko at sasabihin ko din sa inyo lahat kung anong experience and all. But for now, ito na lang muna. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. We need 1